Okay. Um, just ano, two sentences, one sentence, and then no questions. Yeah, I know. Sadly, no? Sad. Siya ang may kasalanan. Sabi niya no questions daw. Yes. So, my statement is, in this bloodbath and bludgeoning, I will be blooded but unbowed. Maraming salamat.
Wow! Narinig niyo yan? I will be blind.